Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CROSSCALL Core M5 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So in this video I'd like to show you two different ways of checking the serial number. You can check it with the usage of the secret code or via the settings. Let's start with the secret code. We have to open the dialer and let's enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see right here at the bottom, we've got the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you a longer way, but it will be useful if you will, for example, forget about the secret code. So let's open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And here we have to scroll down a little bit to find the model. Now let's tap on it, and as you can see, the serial number will appear right in the middle of the list. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.